Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Google reviews to your Wix website. All right. So as you can see here, when we add elements and I'll look for reviews, as you can see, we have the Google Reviews Pro, which is actually an app. Just click on open, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you just got to click on add to site. Okay. And just got to click on agree and add. Okay. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, enter your email and type down your business name. Okay. For example, like so, add in your phone number and select the country code. Okay. Finish. And here in the left panel, you can go ahead and click on reviews and just connect your Google business account. Okay. Click on it, select an account, continue. And as you can see here, it says the connected business account or Google account doesn't have any access to Google business listing because I don't have any business associated with this Gmail. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. Just log into your business account, and once done, go ahead over to widgets, click on it, and then click on set widget visibility on your site. Enable this one. If you want to, you can go ahead and display this one on your home page only or display on all pages. Okay, here you have some more settings as well. Now, once you're happy with it, you're going to go ahead and go back to your editor, close the market, go to apps, manage apps, and here you have Google reviews. Okay. And once that's done, your Google review should automatically pop up in your Wix editor. And that is it. Another option is by going to this website right here, which is elfsight.com. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and create an account. Just click on sign up. Continue with any of your emails. Could be Facebook as well. Continue. Wait for it. Now go ahead and find Google reviews. If you can't find it here, go ahead and look it up in the search bar. Okay. Click on it. Now go ahead and select a template. Okay. As you can see here, we have a ton of options. Let's say, for example, I just wanted to use this simple one. I'm going to click on it like this one. Continue. And then type down your business name. Okay. Say, for example, I'm just going to type here. Okay. For example, Brooklyn Museum. Search. There you go. Click on it. Wait for it. And here we have the reviews. Okay. So what we'll do next, if you want to, you can go ahead and edit the layout, header, review, like so, in this style. Okay. And if you're happy with it, just got to click on publish. It'll ask you to select a plan, but don't worry. If you're going to use only one widget, just go to select the free plan. 0. Select. Now here we have the code. Copy the code. Go back to the Wix editor right here. Click on add element. And here let's go ahead and use embed. Okay, click on embed, popular embeds HTML. Click on the plus sign. This one will pop up. Right click and paste. Update. Wait for it, and there you have it. Just close this one. Now you can go ahead and stretch it like so. And here we have our Google reviews. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.